Hi, welcome back to my channel. This channel is dedicated to travel mostly, every once in a while I veer off that subject, and usually minimalistic packing for traveling on budget airlines. So using a free item like your free personal item on like a Frontier or Spirit flight that fits under the seat in front of you, so 18 by 14 by 8. So when I'm traveling this way, I always bring an empty water bottle with me so I don't have to purchase water, and I always have water available with me. And when I do that, one of the problems that I run into is that I don't have anywhere to put that water bottle. So the first product that I have to review for you today is this. So this is a cup holder by, it's either Remont or Rymont, but I will link these below so you can check that out. So what this is a little thing like this that you can put on your luggage so it will hold your cup for you. So here I have my personal item bag. It's 18 by 14 by 8. It has wheels and it has a handle. Let's move it down here so you can see. It has the handle, the trolley handle. So how this works is you just take it, wrap it around the trolley handle, and then Velcro it. Actually, I think you probably want to have the other way. So the Velcro is in the front. And then you have these two areas right here where you can put some cups, or you can put any other things there too. So for example, I have two fairly skinny water bottles. And both of those fit in there with no problems, as you can see. So just to show you a better angle, I take these out. And also on the back here, there is a slip pocket, so you could put your phone there anytime, even if you have both of these full. I'm gonna have like a bigger water bottle just to do a comparison. So I think this one is the, what is it, the 1,000 milliliter. So this bigger water bottle does not fit in here. So any of your larger, like around circumference water bottles won't work, but any that are like this one, this is the 750 milliliter Camelback. That fits in there with no problem. And then it's quite simple when you're done using it. Just Velcro it off of there. And it folds up and you can shove that into the front pocket here. And then when you're traveling minimalistically, the other problem that, of course, you run into is just trying to get all of your liquids into your TSA liquid bag. So I bought some additional bottles for my TSA liquids bag. So here's a better look at these bottles. Comes in a pack of 6. One of them's missing because I used it already. So each of these bottles is 1 ounce. So they're pretty small, and they're not silicone. They're just like a normal plastic. They just have a simple little spout, but they are pretty easy to fill because this is pretty large. So the reason I bought these is because I needed a place to put toothpaste, and I found that the silicone Go tubes, those were causing the toothpaste to dry out. I don't know how or why, but I'm hoping that these will be better, and so far filling them with toothpaste has been fine. Using the toothpaste out of them has been fine, so we'll kind of see how they hold up. I mean, they were really cheap for a pack of 6, so even if they don't hold up really well, it won't be a lost cause. So I'm really liking these so far. They just have a really good size. If you were putting shampoo in one of these, I would think you could probably get I don't know, maybe 5 days of shampoo in there if you don't use a lot of shampoo. Maybe less if you use more shampoo. They do come with these little labels that you can put on there. Of course, I just use my label maker. So the next travel accessory I have is a pill sorter. So I take vitamins, supplements every morning and night, and I have a pretty strict schedule that I have to take them. So I use these at home. Now this one's different and really good for travel because each of the days breaks apart. So for example, you can take 1 day off. You just kind of slide it forward. And then I can put that back. Or you can, if you only need to take 3 days worth of pills, you can take 3 days. If you need to take the whole thing, great, take the whole thing. The reason that I like these not only is because it has a day and night side, but also it has this cool little feature, so you just press the tab and it pops open. Press the tab, pops open. So when you need to fill them, it's so easy to just press the tabs, pop them all open, and then fill them. So you don't have to just painstakingly go through and pop each one up manually. So it's a lot easier that way. So this I really like. It holds a really good amount of pills. I could use something that's a little smaller, but I haven't found anything that's a little bit smaller than this, so I'm totally fine with it. The great thing about this is then too, if you know you're going to be gone and like out and about for the day, you can just pop one of these off. Oops. You can pop like one day off and take that with you for the day. Just throw it in your purse or your pocket or whatever. Maybe a little big for a pocket, but then you can take it with you and take your pills when you need to. I usually put this in a Ziploc bag in my luggage, and then I have stuff, you know, stacked around it. So even if one of these get pushed, like the pills won't be all over the place. The Ziploc bag will contain them. The next product I have is some more packing cubes and a laundry bag. So this is brand, I think it's Masio or Mosio, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, it comes with 3 packing cubes. So this is the largest packing cube. It does have a handle on the one side that doesn't have the zipper. It has double zippers on this one, and you can see that this is mesh. One thing I like about these is they're fairly deep. Like I have to hold it up for you here, but you can kind of see how deep they are. And then there is the medium-sized packing cube, so you can see the difference there. And again, this one has zippers on both sides, and it's pretty much the same depth. And then there's a small one. And this one, again, is pretty much the same depth. The small one just has one zipper, so it doesn't have 2 zippers on it, but again has the handle. And then this also came with 3, they call them laundry pouches, but you could use them for whatever you want. So here's the largest one, this is the smallest one, and the medium-sized one. Alright, so these are the things I like about them. I think the pattern's really cute. There's other colors available. The one that is on Amazon also has a shoe bag that I did not get in the package that I purchased. Now if you can hear, these are kind of loud. Like whatever material they are made out of, it feels like it would be moisture resistant. So if you put something in here that's wet, it's not going to get everything else in your bag wet. It would block that moisture from coming out, but they're very loud. Like it sounds like paper. They feel a little bit thin, almost flimsy. So I'm going to have to see over time how these hold up. So I have other packing cubes. I just got this to add to my packing cube arsenal because I liked the different sizes that they have. It's nice to have different sizes of packing cubes. So the next thing I got is 3 more of these stackable jars. So if you have watched any of my other packing videos, you'll know that I use these stackable jars a lot to store small amounts of liquids because I don't need a huge amount of liquid when I'm just traveling for a week or less than that. So these are the ones I have been using. These are my old ones. This is the new one. So you can see that they are a little bit different. Both of these are a stack of 5, but this one, it's slightly skinnier and taller, as you can see. So it is a different brand. They're different companies that sell these. So the reason I'm buying a new one here is because if you can see, hopefully the camera's zoomed in on this correctly, but you can see like these have been having quality issues for me. If you travel with these, they will often break, and they're often only good for 1 trip because of that. So like, I think this one I probably dropped it and it broke a good old chunk here off. Luckily it didn't leak even with that broken off, but it's not something that you'd want to keep using. And these are cheap enough, and it came in a huge set, so like I didn't care that they were breaking every time. But like the last one that I used on my last trip, my foundation That one, it wasn't even broke or cracked or anything, but it ended up leaking all over the place. Luckily it was in my toiletries bag, so it just kind of leaked. It got all over the toothpaste container, but that's it. So then I put it in a little Ziploc bag so that would control the leak. And I found it wasn't even from like the pressure of the plane. Even if I just had it on its side like this, at home it was leaking. So I decided I need to find something better quality than the ones I have been using. So that's why I bought these new ones. I have not used these on a trip, but I will be soon. So I'm going to include these in this video, even though I need to quality test these, and I will link below with the link to the new product and let you know if these are a better quality. Something else I bought just in case these do not work. It's just some contact cases. Like, I don't wear contacts, but contact cases are a really good alternative to this. I just like how these stack all together, so if I need like 5 or 6 different little amounts of a liquid or gel or face product, whatever I'm using it for, then it's all in one stack. It's just so easy to use and it takes up so much less room. So if I was going to do that with contact cases, I would need like 3 contact cases. But I did buy some of these just in case this doesn't work out. Then I have these as a backup. And the last item I have to review is this Travelon Crossbody Purse. So it is the Travelon Anti-Theft Classic Light Collection. It's convertible crossbody waist pack. So you can wear this as a crossbody purse, or you can take this strap off of here, and there's a place in the back for it to slide through, so you can wear it as a crossbody. As a waist pack if you choose to. So I used this on my recent trip because I'm kind of the mindset that when I'm traveling, I want a small purse. I don't want to be carrying around this huge thing with all kinds of junk in it. It just gets in the way. And that's kind of my mindset all the time. But even when I'm traveling, I like my purses to be even smaller than they are when I'm just around town. So I want to go over some of the features of this. So it is RFID protecting or RFID blocking. So on this one side, there is this one large pocket at the top. This is for your passport. It's the perfect size for your passport. If you're not carrying a passport around, you can put something else in there. And then there are 4 card slots here, and those are all RFID blocking as well. So you can put different credit cards and ID. Each of these slots is big enough so you can fit a couple cards if you have more than 4 that you need to fit in there. On the other side is just another slip pocket. This one's larger. And then of course it has just the large overall area in the middle. And I kind of like how the zipper starts at one top corner and then it goes down over here. So it just allows it to open a little bit better. And then in this bag is this little leash, I guess you would call it. So you could clip your keys onto here, but what it comes with is this little LED light. And it's actually pretty bright. So like if I go like this, you can see that I could shine it in there and find whatever I'm looking for. Or I could just use this to, if I'm in a dark area, to find what or see where I'm going. And then on the front, there is this zipper pocket. So it's a pretty good size. You should be able to fit your cell phone in there. I have a 7 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus, and it fits in there no problem. Every single one of these zippers is kind of cool. They're a safety zipper. So it has this little locking mechanism and a little thing to clip it onto. So you just clip it on there. That way, if you're carrying around your purse and somebody decides to try to open one of your pockets, they're not going to be able to. It's going to be a little bit harder. They're going to have to figure out how to unclasp that. And every single zipper on here is that. So there's 2 zippers like that. So this one already has one too. And then if we flip it around to the back, there is one pocket that just is a snap closure. And this is where I normally keep my cell phone. It's perfect size for that, and it has easy access to it if I didn't want to keep it in the zipper pocket. And then this is where it has the little slot here. You can take this strap off, slide it through this slot, and then you can use that as your belt for the waist pack. So this bag I really liked. I thought it was just perfect for a vacation bag for me. So I liked all the little safety features that it had, and I just thought it was the perfect size. Alright, well that's all the new travel products that I had to review today. I will link all of those below, and I will be using these in upcoming videos, of course. So I will be doing a pack with me video very soon, so check that out. You should see some of these products in use during that. And I will update in the description below any of these as far as if I have any further comments on them, like if something didn't hold up like I thought it would, I will let you know below. That way you will know the whole deal after I get some use out of these products as well. Alright, well, if you enjoyed this video and you are interested in other travel packing type of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. I also have a couple more luggage reviews coming your way in the next couple weeks, hopefully. And these are, again, going to be small under-seat type luggage for a personal item for like a Frontier or Spirit Airline flight. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe as well. Alright, well, have a great day. Thanks for watching.